Rexy, what do you need, bud? You walked up to me. What? What is it? Rexy? A treadmill? Tell me. Tell me. I can barely hear you, Bubba. Tell me. What? What do you want? Huh? Huh, baby? Rex. Are you so distracted? What? What is it? What are you trying to tell me? Is there something outside? Do you hear noise? Oh, gotta go check it out, huh? Gotta check it out. What is it? What do you hear? He ran up to me and chirped and chirped and chirped, and he can't figure out what's making this noise. What is it, Rex? Oh, okay. Good thing I don't like those curtains, huh? Yeah, chirp, chirp, I know. What is bugging you? Something's getting him going. Oh, geez. Oh, goodness. Huh. Rexy, what is it, buddy? Oh, my goodness. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Oh, boy. He did just have a couple catnip treats, so that might be what's going on here. Huh. Did you have some nip? Oh, my goodness. Okay, well, we'll leave you be, Rexy. Oh, my gosh, you look terrifying. Oh, my God. What is it? What do you hear? What? What is it, Rex? What do you hear? What is it, buddy? You look terrifying. Are you so scary?